Hello, good morning everyone. I'm James M. Sanuan, PSE1E. So, this is my research about the five Filipino scientists. Number one is Angel Alcala. Angel Alcala is a Filipino biologist who was recognized for his contributions to building sanctuaries and to promote biodiversity in the aquatic ecosystems in the Philippines. His biological contributions to the environment, its passion for marine life, especially those in the tropical waters of his country's ecosystem, have made him a renowned hero for natural sciences in the Philippines. He spent over 30 years studying marine biology, conservation biology, terrestrial ecology, and is behind the invention of artificial coral reefs for fisheries in Southeast Asia. He is one of the first Filipinos inducted into Fulbright Hall of Fame. Angel's father worked as a fish farmer, so Dr. Alcala was introduced to fish at a young age. This was when he's interested and passion for environmental science. So this is Angel Alcala. Number 2, Fidel Mundo, the bamboo incubator inventor. Dr. Fidel Mundo, credited with studies that lead to the invention of an improved incubator and the device to treat jaundice. Fidel Mundo's invention has saved countless premature infants around the world. She is known as the inventor of bamboo incubator, dedicated her life to the cause of pediatrics in the Philippines. 3 of her 8 siblings died in infancy, while an older sister died from appendicitis at the age of 11. The death of her younger sister Elisa, who made known her desire to become a doctor for the poor, inspired Del Mundo to choose a career in medicine. So this is Fidel Edmundo. Fidel Mundo. This is her. Okay, next. Edgardo Gomez, marine biologist. Edgardo Dizon Gomez owns was a Filipino biologist who was conferred the rank of National Scientist of the Philippines in 2014. He was a professor emeritus for marine biology at the University of the Philippines Marine Science Institute. Gomez saw the need to protect the Philippines archipelago's vast marine resources, in particular that of coral reefs. He led the world's first national-scale assessment of damage to coral reefs, leading to international conservation initiatives such as the replanting of corals. Gomez saw that they need to protect the Philippine archipelago's vast marine resources, in particular that of coral reefs. He led the world's first national-scale assessment of damage to coral reefs, leading to interventional conservation initiatives such as the replanting of corals. He also pioneered giant clam, the Tridacnagigas, breeding stationed in Bilongo, and other protective areas for coastal communities of the Philippines. So this is Edgardo Gomez. Next. Next is Marta Orasa, food technology. Marta Orasa Iligan was a Filipina food technologist, pharmaceutical chemist, humanitarian, and war heroine. She experimented with foods native to the Philippines and during World War II developed soyalak, a nutrient-rich drink from soybeans, and darak, rice cookies packed with vitamin B-1, which could also prevent beribert disease. which he also helped smuggle into Japanese run. Internment camps, which helped save the lives of thousands Filipinos, Americans, and other nationals. Orasa's career started taking off in 1922 when she returned to the Philippines, enabling her to demonstrate her expertise as food scientist by promoting various food preservation techniques via mobile demos. But her most important contribution are her inventions, and no, it's just the sweet banana ketchup. So this is Marta Orasa. Last, Abelardo Aguilar. Dr. Abelardo Aguilar, a scientist who discovered the erythromycin in 1949. Dr. Abelardo was testing samples of soils from his backyard in Iloilo, Philippines, and isolated microorganisms, a bacteria that lead to develop of the antibiotic called erythromycin. His discovery saved millions of people around the world, yet he wasn't recognized for his efforts. In 1949, Aguilar was testing soil samples from his backyard and had discovered a method to formulate erythromycin. Dr. Abelardo Aguilar isolated a strain of bacteria which led to the development of erythromycin, a broad-spectrum antibiotic used to treat and prevent a wide range of infections. So this is Dr. Abelardo Aguilar. Okay, that's my research. Thank you po.